Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to mark mail as spam in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you're gonna do is open up your Gmail account. Then find the email you want to mark as spam. Then just hold and press that circle on the left side. Then on the three dots on the upper right corner, click report spam. Now just confirm that it will be reported as spam. Then alternatively, you can also mark an email as spam as follows. Now open up your email that you want to mark as spam. Now click on the vertical three dot icon on the top right corner of the email. Then from the drop down, select report spam. So just click report spam. Once you mark an email as a spam, Gmail will move it to spam folder and use it to improve its spam filters to prevent similar emails from reaching your inbox in the future. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comment, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!